So today is a very special day because it is May 17th, 2020, which means that today is Piper's birthday! So I have a few fun things planned today. First of all, I need to bake a cake. I've decorated a little bit for her and I have this cute little crown for her. So I have this wall that says happy first birthday Piper in pink and gold. And then I have cute little tiara for her to wear, and then I also have a bandana for her to wear that says birthday girl. And yeah, so those are cute for her. Unfortunately, because of COVID, she will not be able to have an actual birthday party with all her puppy friends, but we'll have a family party. And also because of COVID, all the stuff we got online are not gonna come in time for her birthday, which is today. So we'll do a haul for that later. It also has scooter stuff, so it'll be in time for his birthday. But yeah, so now we're gonna go to the grocery store. So we're gonna go get ingredients for the cake, and then we're gonna have some fun. Piper doesn't even know I'm here, and she's always really excited. So it'll be like a surprise birthday party. So here's the grocery haul. Some unsweetened applesauce, some natural peanut butter, pumpkin puree, some Greek yogurt, strawberries for the natural food coloring, and some eggs. Cake, as long as I eat it. Okay, for the frosting, I'm doing the Greek yogurt and the strawberries. 15 minutes till the cake is done. Ooh, that looks disgusting, but you know what? It's a dog cake, so. Cake is out of the oven. It looks like a huge cookie, honestly. Good girl, look how cute the birthday girl is. Oh my word. Okay, it's cooled down, and now it's the scariest part is decorating. This is super liquidy, and I used what it told me to, but it's super liquidy. So I don't know what to do. Yeah, it's super liquidy. I don't know what that's supposed to do. But it's pink and it's cute. I love it still. Maybe, okay, I'm just gonna do it, the top, and then put it in the fridge. Hopefully that works. Okay, I think that's good. It's oozing out, but it's okay, because it's pretty. Right, honey? That's all you want for your birthday is a pretty cake. Okay, I'm just gonna do the rest. Oh well, YOLO! Oh man, that just ruined it. This freaking... Oh no, it's a disaster. But I don't care, because it's pretty. That's it. I thought the lip would hold it, but I guess not. Okay, I'm just gonna clean it off and then put it in the fridge. Okay, there it is in its glory. There is the cake. Okay, I'm gonna bring her up on the table. This is her birthday gift from Mama to you. Piper, up, up. Good girl. Yummy? Okay, down. Good girl. Can you sit? Good girl. Her bandana says birthday girl. So cute. Happy birthday to you. Hey guys, it's a new day, and guess what came in the mail? Ta-da! I'm so excited. Are you excited? Do you know what this means? It means you get new stuff. Okay. Okay, so Piper's birthday has passed, but Scooter's hasn't. So we'll give Piper her toys, and we'll save Scooter's for his birthday. Although they share their toys, so practically they're both gonna be getting toys for both of their birthdays. Oh my goodness! What is all of this? Can you sit? Scooter. Okay, so since it's their birthday, of course I had to get a birthday themed toy. Oh, Piper, let me show them it real quick. So it's just a Kong balloon, and it's like a tug-of-war. It's like a tug-of-war toy. Okay, she is going crazy for this toy. And it's kind of nice because it's not only a tug-of-war, but it's also a very sturdy plush kind of thing. And it says celebrate. There was a red one and a blue one, but I like the blue one more, so. I'll be linking all these down below. It was all in Chewy, so here you go, birthday girl. And so for his birthday, I guess, because she's loving that thing, we got a Frisco happy birthday cupcake. Let's just open it. So that's what it looks like. And then I also got these Skinny Pelts squeaky plush toy. It's no stuffing, safe and fun. They actually always break their plush toys, and stuffing goes everywhere. But yes, they love their plush toys, and I thought it would be great to have a non-stuffing toy, but still plush, so that's something fun. And then they love these. So these are just the Hearts Chew-In Clean Tough Bone Durable Chew Toy. And I've got to say, it's very durable. We've had one for a while. It's been your birthday, so you get yours, okay? Let's open it. Yeah, it's yours. Happy birthday! We also got this one, which is for him. We also have this Kong Squeeze ball. I don't know. Kong Squeeze ball. It squeaks apparently. I don't know. But we'll save that for later. This was so cute. I just had to get it. It's an Outward Hound Invincible Durable Seams and Tough Lining duck. I think it's a duck. But it's so cute and it was so cheap. I also got this Chuck It Junior 18 medium ball thrower because I can't throw far, but they liked running a lot, so yeah. So that will be for outside times. Also got an indoor ball. Ooh, this is fun. But this is what it looks like. It's a Chuck It indoor ball. It literally is called an indoor ball. So that's it for all the toys and stuff. You want more? You've got enough, don't you think? So we have a bunch of treats, but these two are just needed because one of them is the dentist sticks. And I give it to them almost every day when I remember. But we're almost out, so it just helps them with their breath, their teeth. I got them the mini one So I got the small, and they are large dogs. They are large dogs, but whenever I was doing the size comparison, it's just half of the large, and it was just cheaper to get 108 of the small ones than to get half of the large ones. But anyway, the Pedigree Dentasticks, America's #1 daily oral care treat. And then the last thing is the Pet Botanics Training Reward 3-calorie treats for dogs, beef flavor. And it comes with approximately 500 of these treats. So this is great because we can put it in our Furbo. It fits in the Furbo, which is important. Honey, no. So that's it for the Chewy haul. She's loving that toy. Okay, so I gave them the balloon, the bone, the little squeaky ball, and the raccoon. Love the squeaky? Do you love your toys? Happy birthday, honey.